What's up? It's the Cool Kid here.
The Cool Kid Vlogs.
I'm above all you people. You didn't want to click my ads? I'm gonna click your ads.
You don't want to click his ads, he's gonna click your ads.
Yeah, I'm gonna go kill everyone.
Go kill them.
I'm gonna kill them. I'm just too scared.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm dead, I'm dead.
You got it. A little faster. Speed it up. You want me to go? The lever on the side. The lever on the side. The lever on the side. Pull it down. The lever on the side of your seat. Oh. He's going to click your ads.
I just clicked all your ads.
He just clicked on your ads.
Let's leave it on.
Here, wait. I want to try it. Here, let's shoot it.